Once upon a time, in a quaint little village, there were two boys, Jake and Max, who were the best of friends. They were inseparable and shared everything, from their toys to their secrets. One sunny afternoon, as they sat under the old oak tree near their houses, Jake turned to Max with a curious glint in his eye. "Hey, Max," Jake said with a friendly smile. "I've been hearing a lot about this thing called Python. Do you know what it is?" Max, always the more tech-savvy of the two, chuckled and patted the grassy ground beside him, inviting Jake to sit closer. "Sure, Jake," he began. "Python is like a magical language that computers understand. It's not the kind of language you use to talk to your friends, but rather a way to talk to machines." Jake's eyes widened with fascination as he leaned in closer, eager to learn more. "How does it work?" he asked. Max grinned, happy to be the one to introduce his friend to this exciting world. "Well, Python is a programming language," he explained, "and people use it to create all sorts of amazing things. It's kind of like giving instructions to a computer to make it do what you want." Jake scratched his head, trying to wrap his mind around it. "So, like, you can tell a computer to play games or do math problems with Python?" Max nodded enthusiastically. "Exactly. You can write programs in Python to make games, solve complex math problems, create websites, and even make robots do cool stuff." Jake was now completely captivated by the idea. "That sounds incredible. How do you learn Python? Can you teach me, Max?" Max's face lit up with excitement. "Of course, Jake. Learning Python is a fun adventure. We can start by writing simple code, like telling the computer to say, 'Hello, world.' We'll learn step by step, and soon you'll be able to make your own programs." And so, the two friends embarked on their journey to explore the world of Python. Max patiently introduced Jake to the basics of Python, explaining variables, loops, and functions in the friendliest way possible. They spent many afternoons under the old oak tree, learning and coding, laughing and experimenting. As time went on, Jake's knowledge of Python grew, and he began to create small programs of his own. He and Max became known as the dynamic duo of the village, always eager to share their newfound knowledge with others. Their friendship grew even stronger as they ventured into the world of technology together, hand in hand. And in this friendly and adventurous tale, two young boys discovered the magic of Python, transforming it into a lifelong bond of curiosity, learning, and endless possibilities.